AI video ads are becoming a serious trend. Disney is reportedly preparing to launch a beta version of an AI generated TV ad tool in July 2026. The tool is aimed partly at small and medium sized advertisers that do not already have professional video assets. That matters because video ads used to be expensive. You needed a script, camera crew, actors, editor, music, graphics, and multiple versions. Now, AI tools are making it possible to create simple video ads much faster. So, in this video, I'll show you a simple AI ad workflow that a small business creator, freelancer, or marketer can use today. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make more out of your day with AI. Let's start with a big idea. A good ad is not about fancy AI effects. A good ad is about a clear message. The viewer needs to understand, what problem do I have? What is the solution? Why should I trust this? What should I do next? That is the structure. Problem, solution, proof, and call to action. Now, let's build the workflow. Step 1. Define the product and customer. Before using AI, write down three things. What are you selling? Who is it for? What problem does it solve? For example, I sell an AI course for beginners who want to use AI for business and productivity. That is already clearer than saying, make me an ad. Step number 2, ask AI for ad angles. Use this prompt. Act as a direct response marketer. Create 5 15-second video ad angles for this offer. Each angle should focus on a different customer problem, desire, or objection. This gives you options. For example, save time, stop feeling confused by AI, use AI for business, learn practical tools, avoid wasting money on random subscriptions. Different angles speak to different people. Step 3, write the script. Once you pick the best angle, ask. Write a 15-second video ad script with a strong hook, simple problem, clear solution, proof point, and call to action. The script should be short. A simple format is hook. Most people are using AI the wrong way. Then problem. They ask random questions but never build workflows. Solution. In AI University, we teach practical AI systems for work, business, and content. Proof. Inside you learn tools, prompts, agents, and automations step by step. CTA. Join AI University on School. That is enough for a first version. Step 4, create the visuals. You can use tools like Veo, Runway, Higgsfield, or other video AI tools depending on what you already have. You do not need to generate everything from scratch. Start with existing assets, a product photo, a screenshot, a logo, a short phone recording, a testimonial, a simple background video. Then use AI to create variations, captions, motion, or scenes. For example, a product photo can become a short motion clip. A screenshot can become a tutorial style ad. A rough script can become captions and scenes. Step 5, create three versions. Do not only make one ad, make three versions. One focused on saving time, one focused on saving money, one focused on making money or getting better results. 10. Test which message gets the best response. This is where AI helps most. It lets you create variations faster. Not perfect ads, but more testable ideas. Now, here are the mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1, making the ad too long. Start with 15 to 30 seconds. Mistake 2, using too many AI effects. If the viewer remembers the effect but not the offer, the ad failed. Mistake 3, making generic claims. Do not say, this will transform your life. Say something specific. Learn how to turn one video into 10 content pieces using AI. Mistake 4, skipping human review. AI can create strange visuals, wrong claims, bad timing, or generic language. You still need to check everything. The big idea is simple. AI lowers the cost of creating video ads, but it does not remove the need for strategy. You still need a clear offer, clear audience, strong hook, and useful call to action. Use AI for scripts, visuals, variations, captions, and editing. Use your own judgment for the message. And if you want to learn practical AI workflows like this step by step, I also have my AI University community on School, where we go deeper into AI tools for business, content, agents, and automation. If this helped, subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario and leave a comment with what you would create an AI ad for first. See you in the next one.